Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Dota 2 on your laptop or PC. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.dota2.com and press enter on your keyboard. Click on the Play for Free button appearing at the top right hand corner and then now scroll down and click on the Play Game button. You need to have Steam desktop application installed before you can install and launch Dota 2. So make sure that you've downloaded Steam on this computer. If you've already downloaded Steam, click on yes. If not, click on no and download the Steam application first. Once you are done, you can easily launch open Steam application and sign into your Steam account. Type in your account name in the first text box associated with your Steam account. On the next field, type in your correct password and click sign in. Now, click on the next button in the pop-up in order to install Dota 2 on your laptop or PC. Wait for the installation process to complete. After the download is finished, click on the finish button and there you have successfully downloaded Dota 2 on your PC. How to sign up for Dota 2? You can sign up for Dota 2 on the Dota 2 website. Open up a web browser of your choice and into the URL box, type in www.dota2.com and press enter. If you want to sign up for Dota 2, you can easily do it by logging to your Steam account. Simply go ahead and click on the login button at the top right. Now, sign into your Steam account by typing in your credentials. If you don't have a Steam account yet, make sure to create one. Type in your account name in the first text box and then a correct password on the next field. Click on the sign in button after you are done. Allow necessary access for the following by clicking allow. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign up for Dota 2. All you need is a Steam account and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily sign up for Dota 2. How to sign in to your Dota 2 account? To sign into your Dota 2 account, you can simply open up a web browser or your Dota 2 application. On a web browser, type in the URL www.dota2.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Dota 2. In order to log into your Dota 2 account, you'll need a Steam account first. Click on the login link at the top right and doing so will take you to this Steam community page. If you don't have an account yet for Steam, you'll need to click on the join Steam link and follow through the sign up process. If you are a Steam user and you already have an account, click the sign in button. Log into your Steam account by entering your account name followed by your correct password, or simply log in by scanning this QR code with the help of your Steam mobile application. Now, click on the allow button in order to allow necessary permission for the following and you'll be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Dota 2 account. You can now click on the Play for Free button and simply go ahead and play the game by clicking on the Play Game option. Now, you can simply go ahead and install the Steam application on your device and start playing Dota 2. How to adjust right on Dota 2? Make sure that you open up your Dota 2 application and also log into your account first. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon at the top left hand corner. Now, from the display, choose the video option at the top. Click on Use Advanced Settings. Under Display Mode, click on the drop down and click on Exclusive Full Screen. Click on the Apply button and you'll be able to see the brightness option activate. Drag the slider in order to adjust the brightness of the game according to your preference and after you are done, click on Apply and soon after you do that, you'll be able to change or adjust your brightness settings on Dota 2. How to change language on your Dota 2 account? From the main homepage of Dota 2, click on the gear icon at the top left hand corner. Now, click on the Options tab at the top. Go to the right hand side and under Language, click the drop down and select your preferred language from the list and click it on. You'll need to restart the Dota client to apply the language change. To do so, click OK and you'll be able to change your language. How to change your name on Dota 2. Open up your Dota 2 application to get started. Also make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're logged into your Dota 2 account, click on your name at the top left-hand corner. Now, from the profile page, click on Edit Profile at the bottom left. Go to your name at the top and click it on. Now, erase the name and type in the new name that you'd like to set. After you do that, click on Save Changes at the bottom left and you'll be able to change your name on Dota 2 account. How to choose a hero on Dota 2. From the main homepage, go ahead and select the Heroes tab at the top of the screen. From the list, select the hero you'd like to change to. Give it a click and you'll end up in the profile for that character. Now, once you select the player, click on the Play Dota button at the bottom right. Click on Find a Match and it is now finding a match for you to play with. On the next page, you can go ahead and choose a hero you'd like to change to and click it on. Now click on this lock button in order to confirm your hero and wait until the timer runs out and you'll be able to play with the hero that you've selected. That is how you can easily choose hero on Dota 2.
How to change Dota 2 audio language. First, open your Dota 2 application and then make sure that you are logged into your account. If you want to change the audio language of your Dota 2 game, then the process is quite easy. From the main homepage, click on the Settings button or the Gear button at the top left. Now, in the expanded menu, click on Audio at the top. Right at the bottom, you'll be able to see Audio Language drop down. Select one of your preferred language and click on OK to restart the Dota client to apply the language change. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change the audio language used in your Dota game.
How to exit Dota 2 game. Here I've opened up Dota 2 account on the display. If you'd like to log out or leave the account, then all you need to do is to click on this power button at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, confirm that you'd like to quit or leave by clicking on yes. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've closed the game and ended up in your main desktop page. How to invite someone on Dota 2. To invite someone to your Dota 2 game, from the main homepage, click on one of your friends from the list. If you don't have a friend added on your account, click on this plus button which indicates as Add Friend and enter the friend ID you'd like to add in and click Search. Once you find the friend you'd like to add, you can click on this Add Friend button and click on Add Friend again. If you'd like to invite them on a game, click on this plus button that says Invite to Party. Once they accept your invitation, they'll be able to join in with you on the game. Once they join in, click on Play button in order to start the game. That is how you can easily invite someone in Dota 2. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.